In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a task in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want the task to be added. This is important because each board is usually organized around a specific team, project, or workflow. So placing the task in the correct board helps keep everything clear and easy to track later. Before creating anything new, take a quick moment to confirm that you're in the right place. Once you're on the board, go to the correct group. Groups are used to organize items into categories, stages, or sections, depending on how your board is set up. For example, a group might represent upcoming work, tasks in progress, or completed items. Choosing the right group from the beginning makes it easier for everyone involved to understand where the task belongs and what stage it's in. Next, click Add Item. This creates a new task entry on the board. After that, type the task name. Try to make the name clear and specific so anyone looking at the board can quickly understand what needs to be done. A good task name saves time and reduces confusion, especially when multiple people are working in the same board. After naming the task, assign it to a person. This step is especially helpful for accountability because it makes it obvious who is responsible for the work. If your team uses ownership to track progress, assigning the task right away helps avoid delays and keeps communication straightforward. Then add a due date, status, and priority if needed. The due date helps everyone know when the task should be completed. The status gives a quick visual update on where the work stands, and priority helps show how urgent or important the task is compared to others. Even if all of these fields are optional in your workflow, filling them in can make planning and reporting much easier. Finally, update the task as work progresses. This is a simple habit that makes a big difference. As the task moves forward, keep the status current and adjust any details if needed. That way, the board remains accurate, your team stays informed, and anyone reviewing progress can understand what's happening without needing extra follow-up. That's all it takes to add and manage a task in Monday.com. If you follow this process each time, your board will stay organized, your team will stay aligned, and your work will be much easier to manage.